Wow, okay. Here a bit messy, yeah. Here a bit messy, yeah. Whoosh. Banyaknya stok. Wih, Saleh.
Ya, bos.
Mengapa banyak stok?
Banyak stok ah.
Ha.
Ni sebab warehouse sale lah.
Kan?
Untung lah customer.
So, semua ni standby untuk warehouse sales kan?
Betul.
Okay ya. So, jadi masa warehouse sales, kita clearkan semua boleh?
Clear lah, kasih tak nak nampak ada kotak tinggi-tinggi.
Kasih clearkan Okay, cantik. Saleh kata dia boleh clearkan stok ini. Syafiq. Mengapa banyak sangat stok?
Tadi Saleh cakap ada warehouse sale.
Apa stok sudah ada?
Oh, saya tak boleh expect lah.
Tak boleh expect lah?
Tak boleh lah.
Agak-agak
1 juta ada dah.
1 juta?
1 juta ada stok.
I pun tak pasti. Okay. Jom kita tengok. Okay. From here we can see there's a lot of JOIE. It's a JOIE corner. So we have a car seat carrier, Yuva, iSpin Grow, Signature Finity. Wow, okay. Trailer for booster car seat, you can get it here. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of spin 360 car seat as here. iSpin 360, Spin 360, booster car seat elevates. So JOIE stock is always ready for daddy mommy. EVENFLO, okay, from USA. These are EVENFLO Gold Series products. Let's see what we have here. Whoa, Mimsy high chair. So JOIE high chair is ready. Swing, Sansa swing is ready. All this. Okay, compact fold stroller, Tourist S. Pack is all here. JOIE corner, daddy mommy. All right. Welcome to CHICCO corner. So all this CHICCO stock products is here. We have all this is hot seller and best seller items like CHICCO Goodie Plus, Presto stroller, Unico Air 360 spin car seat, Zip Max, okay? CHICCO Next Fit Zip Max Air Series, without Air Series also have, and very famous My Fit booster car seat from CHICCO. Okay, CHICCO fans, stand by, daddy mommy. A box without printing, so we don't know what is it. Actually, you have. Yeah, you have. Okay, at the side here is COBY house, daddy mommy. So all this stock is like a huge, a mountain high. This is a COBY house high chair, daddy mommy. Only 200 plus, okay? And warehouse sales, you get bonus green color boxes. So as we see green color, we know that this brand is called Comfy Baby, okay? We have PARKLON Barber Mat ready for daddy mommy. All the stock is here. And CROLLA car seat Alpha Nexus Next 360 Gold Series, latest one is ready for you. Warehouse sales get special bonus. Okay, CROLLA Unicorn Series. Okay, CHICCO stroller and carrier. Okay, Bravo Primo Baby Hug 4-in-1 playpen for CHICCO. Next to me playpen is ready. Phew, wow, okay, we can see that this is a EVENFLO compact fold stroller Pilot LX below 800 from US. DOONA. Woo! DOONA is ready for you. All this DOONA track, 5-in-1 tracks and a DOONA 2-in-1 car seat stroller. NUNA is ready. Car seat stroller and a swing, NUNA swing, world-class products. Okay. Wow, okay. Here a bit messy, yeah. Special stroller from Germany, HAUCK, offering below 300 ringgit. Only for warehouse sales. Below 300 ringgit stroller. Stay tuned, okay? So let's move to our upstairs. Okay, that's our next level. So if you want anything, baby gear especially, stroller, car seat, playpen, you need to save the date.